You know, when it comes to landscaping, one of the most important things you want to consider is design. Design is crucial. And when you talk about design, you want to break it down into softscape and hardscaping. Softscape is plant materials and irrigation and mulch. Hardscaping is materials that you make walks, decks, patios, overheads. Now, one of the biggest problems when you talk about hardscape is the mixing of too many materials. Too much of many good things creates a hodgepodge effect. Good design should feel harmonious and uncluttered. So the first question is, where do I start? Well, this house is a Tudor-style house with a slate roof and a lot of brick. So my inspiration was I was going to use the brick with the slate together. And it works amazingly well. What I like about it is we use the brick for all of our raised planters or anything that was vertical, and we use the slate for anything that was on the ground bordered with the brick. If you don't have a specific architectural style to speak of, try a color scheme or building materials used on the inside of the house. This outdoor kitchen, a great spot to start introducing what's inside the house, the granite, to the outside, the granite. Now inside the house has a granite countertop. So what we did was we took the same granite and introduced it for the outside. It's mixing materials, but it's a way to bring the inside out and the outside in. I have another way to earn continuity in the landscape with your garden ornamentation. Who'd have thought when you unify the same style of the pot? Now, these are urns. They can be bigger or smaller, but they're the same style, and it makes for a much more dramatic statement. So repeat after me. Repetition in your hardscape material is one of the keys to good design. The hardscape is the skeleton. It's the structure. It's where you start, and that's how you build off of it. But you need to soften it. You need the plants. You need the flowers. You need the grass. Those materials hold it together and soften everything down. It's the hardscape and the softscape blended together. That's how you properly mix materials.